Happy Tuesday, second graders. Welcome back to school. I hope that everyone had a nice 3-day weekend and was able to just spend some time relaxing with their families. We are going to start a new writing topic this week for opinion writing, and it's going to be, what is your favorite color? So you may have more than one. Try to stick to one color just to make it easier on yourself. And then you're going to give me reasons why that's your favorite color and then add extra detail. So I'm going to show you just a little bit of an example. You guys are going to go through this slideshow and you're going to start, this is the first page. On the second page there's a video and it's the story of the day the crayons quit. So you'll watch this short read aloud and they give you some ideas of some crayon colors and reasons why that crayon is a good crayon, just to give you an idea of some of the colors and reasons why a color might be your favorite. Here we have our table of contents page. You can see what is an opinion, brainstorm, and T-chart are the only ones that are blue. That means that's the only steps that we're on so far. Here we have what is an opinion. We know it's what you think and what you feel. It is not based on facts. It's your own ideas. So your target is to write an opinion paragraph that has 3 big ideas, 2 key details for each big idea, and a topic and conclusion sentence. Now that does not all need to be done today. That will be done by the end of this week. First step, brainstorm. I gave an example here. Before you make your T-chart, you need to pick your favorite color, then make a list of reasons why that is your favorite color. Please remember, there is no right or wrong answer here. This is, again, what you think and what you feel. My favorite color is green. Here are some reasons why I like green. Green is the color of grass. It's the color of trees. It can be a bright neon color. It reminds me of the outdoors. It's a peaceful color. It's the same color as Yoda. And because I also like green vegetables. So we have our T-chart. We know what goes where. You're not focusing on the topic or the conclusion today, so don't do the top or the bottom. You're only focusing on your 3 reasons why a color is your favorite color and then adding more detail. I'm going to show you an example of mine. Notice that here I put leave blank, leave blank. Here's my 3 reasons. Reminds me of the outdoors. How did I add more detail? Because I said trees are green and mountains have a lot of green. Here's my second big idea. Yoda is green. I'm going to add more details because I love Star Wars and I think Yoda is cute. My third big idea is because I like green vegetables. I added more detail by saying broccoli is delicious and green veggies are healthy. Notice that I filled in my transition words and I switched them up a little bit this time. So I have first of all, comma, also, comma, and another reason, comma. So that's where we're at, is we are only on our T-chart. We're not on our core 4 yet. We don't have a topic. We don't have a conclusion. What you're going to do after you finish reviewing this slideshow and you finish your own T-chart, which you guys should have paper copies of that were sent home with you, which if you misplaced yours or you can't find them, just make your own inside of your writing journal. You can also do your brainstorming inside of your writing journal, then use your T-chart to complete your big ideas and key details. Once you're finished with your T-chart, your next job is going to be to go into classwork and assignments, and then you're going to go to writing. Favorite color, there's a Google form, okay? Once you finish, you're going to take that Google form and it's going to ask you to put in your name. What color are you going to write about? So I would put the color green right here. And then what is one reason why that is your favorite color? And I would put in a complete sentence. I would say, green is my favorite color because it reminds me of the outdoors. Period. And then I'm going to hit submit and that's it. Then you're done. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that this explained the writing process for you guys for today. You have today and tomorrow to complete this work. On Thursday, I will assign you the core 4, and we will come up with our topic and conclusion. We'll also practice talking it out and hopefully get started on a rough draft. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope that you're doing good. I hope you're safe and you're healthy and you're happy. We will talk to you guys later.